Right, it's going to be a no mess about video. So side panel is off of the Stealth Bomber. Let's get into the electrics. First thing we're going to come across is the power cable. It's either going to be an XT90 or an XT60. One of them these bikes, you're going to want to unplug that, just like so, and we're golden. Now the controller's sometimes mounted on the bottom, sometimes inside. It's inside now. So for argument's sake, we're going to I'm going to take the battery out. Make my life a lot easier. Right, there's the bad boy battery down there. We'll get him charged. And the battery is all the way out now. I'll start with this wiring. Alright, the first thing that I want to do is unplug the throttle. Right, I'm going to begin by taking the actual throttle off. Remember, it's a no mess about video. So we're just going to... Oh, well, that is no mess about that. Get that straight off of there. And unplug it from that end. Right, I've cut mine because they were repaired together. But if your throttle's like mine that's just got a key, it should be minus and negative, and minus negative, and the pulse for the throttle. Should be 3 throttle wires or 5 in total, depending on what throttle you got. That's the throttle off, guys. Right now it's a case of all the power wires to the motor. I'm going to pull this a bit sideways. The first thing, mine's got 2 hall plugs on, but so the first thing for the motor is the hall plug, which is the 5 wire connector. Also, you didn't just see me, but I just took that connector off. It was one of these blocks, and there should be a blue, green and yellow for the phase wires for the motor. Right, this should be the last one of these. I will always say make sure there's no power left in your controller as well before you do this, because you can get some nasty sparks this way. So as soon as this nut is all the way off, I'm going to get rid of that, and then we should have our controller. There we go. And all that's left now on there is my alarm bypass positive and my negative wire. There's normally a fuse, but there's no fuse around here, so this controller's too big. But there we go. There's our hollowed out Stealth Bomber. That is how to empty out a Stealth Bomber and disconnect all the electrics. Thank you very much.